is an athletic, toned look. Athletic, toned look. Not dialed in, separated, defined muscle bellies. It's a very feminine, athletic, toned look. Glute hamstrings, nice legs, nice shoulders. You'll see on a lot of girls in bikini that it becomes a matter of balance for them. They're either bottom heavy or they're top heavy, or they're very perpendicular. And it takes posing coaches to teach you how to pose around a perpendicular body, because a lot of women, some aren't blessed with the curves. So you have to create curves. You have to create that projection. But you have to be balanced. Bikini is the most aesthetically pleasing division and category that we have. It's also the most difficult to judge because, again, it goes to preference. And there's a lot of things that get involved with figure and bikini specifically, because not only are we looking at the aesthetics, which means we're looking at hair and the makeup and the suit. And yes, I get all those things, and I'm as straight as it can be, but I understand hair and makeup and the way the suits, they have to coordinate themselves with each other. You can't wear a dark colored suit and then go with orange eyeliner and crazy colors on your head and come out looking like Ronald McDonald's. It's not going to help you, because that's a part of the package. To you, huh? It gets negative attention. Yeah, it gets you negative attention because you're going, look at Ronald McDonald over there. Let's move that over. Great physique, but she lost it here. And because the face is just as important as the physique. It's a total package. And that's where we get lost a lot of times when we start discussing with people, because they want to get to one aspect of a criteria. Well, her glutes were better. Okay. She won in the glute section. That was great. I agree. She won the glute shot. But she didn't win in the front legs, she didn't win in the shoulders, she didn't, win from the, any curvature, and, maybe the other girl was prettier, her hair was more, so we can argue different sets of the criteria. That's why it's subjective, that's why we'll never agree. Just like in sports, when we watch, NFL football, we yell for the first 30 seconds of an instant replay, go, he was in, his foot touched, and we all have our sides, no matter what team you're on, oh, he was out, he was in, he was out, he was in. There's never any agreement. And then we're not even happy after it's an instant replay. We can actually visually see where the guy's foot was actually out on the line. And that's crap. He had control of the ball. Now we're arguing a different part of the criteria. We're just arguing with his foot down. Same thing in our sport. People want to argue whether she's much more beautiful than the other girl. Well, she is prettier, but her conditioning wasn't there. She tightens up a little bit. It's a game changer. Or if she had maybe one or two other girls who were more light shaped, it might have helped her along.